In this video sample, we're going to look at how to make a vector brush using Illustrator and Photoshop. First, you have to open up Illustrator and make a new document. And by default, that's A-OK fine. And basically, we're going to make a unique shape that we want to bring into Photoshop and use almost like we would a stamp pattern tool. So I'm just going to make sort of a blobby oddball thing here. For the heck of it, I'll add a little warp as well, just to have something very unique looking. And this is going to be a brush that can be used on just about anything in Photoshop that we'd like to use it on. So I've got our basic shape, and I'm going to save this now as brush sample, switch to EPS as a type, and just throw it on the desktop for now and save that. And the defaults are OK. We'll hit OK, and it's saving the EPS. We can back out of Illustrator and make a new document in Photoshop. And I'm actually going to do File Open and open that EPS, that brush sample. And when I try to open it, it's going to ask us if we want to convert it, increase the resolution, or adjust the size. And for now, we'll just say OK. Now, with that selected, I'm going to go to the layer palette, and if we go in this version actually under Edit, and we do Define Brush Preset with our EPS file open and selected. So it was just Edit and Define Brush Preset, and we'll give it a name. Let's call it Brush 3. OK. Now in our canvas that we made, if we go to Brush and open up our brush tools here, we should see at the very bottom of them our newly created brush. So I click once on that, and then onto our canvas. And now we've got a custom made brush. And that's how you use Illustrator and Photoshop to make your own brushes.